dastardly attack. Suspected terrorist gunned down a retired army Jawan in South Kashmir's Pulgam. And according to reports, the ex-serviceman identified as Manzoor Ahmed was killed by masked gunmen in the Bahibag area of Kulgam. His wife and daughter were so gravely injured in the attack as well. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has condemned the attack and he has said that we will respond to terror with force. Take a look.
Terror visited South Kashmir's Kulgam after a former army personnel was shot dead by masked gunmen. The retired soldier, identified as Manzoor Ahmed Wage, was rushed to the nearby hospital but succumbed to his injuries. The dastardly attack went down in Bahibag area of Kulgam. His wife and young daughter also sustained grave injuries in the attack. Armored vehicles rolled in and massive manhunt was launched after the attack. Moving visuals showed the family members of the slain soldier wailing inconsolably, even as neighbors and locals offered comfort. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah condemned the cowardly attack. His cabinet colleague Satish Sharma also condemned the attack and vowed a befitting response.
हम इसकी मजम्मत करते हैं, वी कंडेम इट, और हमारे जो पूरी उसके उन परिवारों के साथ हमारे जैसे पता चला है उनकी एक महिला भी जो हैं वो भी इंजर्ड हैं, एक शहीद हो गए हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि देश के दुश्मनों को करारा जवाब देना पड़ेगा। जो डिफेंस मिनिस्टर साहब और प्रधानमंत्री साहब आदरणीय होम मिनिस्टर साहब ने जो हमारे साथ बातें करी हैं, तो मुझे लगता है देयर इज़ डायर नीड, वी हैव टू एक्ट नाउ। और जो लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं अंदर के भी, उनके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई करनी पड़ेगी। मैं मेरी श्रद्धांजलि है, श्रद्धा के सुमन अर्पित करता हूं जो वीर माँ भारती के वीर शहीद हुए हैं, और जो हमसे बन पाएगा वेल डू।
Till last reports, no terror group claimed responsibility for the attack.
Let's take a look at the other top stories we are tracking. Prime Minister Modi is all set to pay a two-day visit to the United States beginning February 12 to hold wide-ranging talks with President Donald Trump. As per plan, PM Modi will travel to Washington, D.C. after concluding his two-day visit to France. It would be the Prime Minister's first bilateral visit to the United States after Trump became president for the second time. PM Modi will be among a very handful of foreign leaders to travel to D.C. on a bilateral visit within weeks after Trump administration came to power. PM Modi will reply to a discussion on the President's address in Lok Sabha today. The lower house will also take up a discussion on the Union budget on February 6th, 7th and 10th, with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman set to respond to discussion in the lower house on February 10th. Asaduddin Owaisi said that the Waqf Amendment Bill in its current form will lead to social instability as it has been rejected by the Muslim community. Participating in the debate on the President's address, Owaisi said that the bill has been rejected by the entire Muslim community and its implementation would take this country back to the 1980s and early 90s.
Sir, I am cautioning and warning this government. I am cautioning and warning this government. If you bring and make a Waqf law in the present form, which will be violation of Article 25, 26 and 14, it will lead to social instability in this country. It has been rejected by the entire Muslim community. No Waqf property will be left. Nothing will be left, I say.
Introspect and apologize were the words used by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and his advice to Rahul Gandhi just hours after the Congress MP alleged new voters were added mostly in constituencies where the BJP won in Maharashtra election. Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, alleged that about 70 lakh voters equivalent to Himachal Pradesh's population were added to the electoral rolls in Maharashtra between Lok Sabha and the state elections.